Morganic Roots specializes in design, education, installation, and maintenance. Here, you're looking at a beautiful deck that we installed. Once the project was complete, we had extra wood. We reused this wood and turned them into garden beds. Hi, my name is J.R. Morgan with Morganic Roots Eco Firm, and today we're doing a collaboration with H.ON.E.Y, honoring our new ethnic youth here in Eugene, Oregon. We made garden beds, we got strawberry plants, and we're gonna be working with the kids, connecting with them, teaching them how to grow, and the importance of growing food.
Love yourself, love your life, 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 love yourself.
Put it in. And then put the soil around it, right? Make sure it's going straight up. And that's when you push it down after you put the soil on top.
He's got other plants too. I enjoyed doing strawberries with you today, JR.